So the Bollinger Bands are very similar to moving averages in the sense that when the price is above them, they act as support, and when below them, they act as resistance. The difference in the calculations are they're based on standard deviations, and again, if you are interested in the more complex calculations of these indicators and moving averages, by all means look them up. It's not necessary to do so, but if you have a mathematical background and that interests you, by all means, look at those calculations. So it's also a really good indicator for really strong breakouts for the bulls and really strong breakdowns for the bears. We'll look at some examples of those. And what the Bollinger Bands also can tell you is when the range is tightening, the Bollinger Bands constrict, and that's why we've got some rubber bands over here. They get tighter and tighter, which tells you that a move is imminent. And then usually, once those bands get tight, 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 it's a very clear and pretty strong break in one direction or the other. So let's now look at some Bollinger Band examples on the chart.